Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Edge here guys, and if you have a Ford Edge first generation from year 2007 to year 2014 guys, and you need to remove or replace rear tail light assembly, stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that. Now, the rear right side or the rear left will be the same way. We'll demonstrate on one of them so we don't waste your time. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any of the parts, tools that we use, you can find that the links in the description of the video below. What we have here now guys, we have a 2009 Ford Edge that we're working on. This is it guys, 2009 Ford Edge, and we'll demonstrate on the rear right side how to remove and how to replace the tail light. Go ahead, open the trunk. Now once you guys open the trunk, you're going to notice that right here you have two bolts, two screws that you need to remove. Those are guys with 8mm socket guys, 8mm socket. So we'll use even the power screwdriver with 8mm socket. This is amazing screwdriver. We'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. Go ahead, remove the screw. Okay, now this thing will be stuck. We'll get guys panel removal too, and here you will have a couple clips, one or two guys on the side that will hold the tail light there. Okay, so you have to gently pull it out. It's only a double clip. Okay, one here, one there. You can see, and they go okay in this right here guys. So you have to be careful how you pry, because otherwise you can guys severely damage it. Now how you guys okay disconnect the tail light? Simple. Okay, push down on all the connectors there and disconnect one by one guys. Okay, and the tail light assembly, the whole thing okay comes out of there. Okay, you can see just like that. Not very complicated. Right now, how you guys okay replace the other one? The other one is the same way. Let me show you quick. Okay, here you guys have two more screws and you pull that one out as well. Now if you guys want to see about the bulbs, we'll have a video explaining the bulbs. If you need to buy replacement bulbs, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In addition guys, if you want to see any specific repair videos, if you have problems with your Ford Edge that you don't know how to fix, or you want to see a specific video guys, do not hesitate to leave a comment below guys. That way we'll get an idea okay about the video, and we'll know guys what you need, and we'll be trying guys to make a video for your specific problem. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to remove and replace rear tail light on Ford Edge. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.